Welcome back to the channel. We are looking at prime factorization. Now, prime factorization has got so many methods. There are so many methods to use when doing prime factorization of numbers. But the major word here is prime and then factor. So we use prime factors to mention or tell or write the factors the number has. An example is 48. What are the factors of 48? So in this one we will use the first prime number or prime factor, which is 2. So we divide 48 divide by 2, and quickly we'll get 24. Divide this by 2, get 12. Divide 12 by 2, get 6. Divide 6 by 2, get 3. So in this case you have to list the first prime factor, which is 2, into the number until you cannot divide it anymore. So, but we can also see a list of the first 5 prime numbers so that they can help us on solving such numbers on prime factorizing. So the first prime number is 2, followed by 3, followed by 5, followed by 7, followed by 11. Those are the first 5 prime numbers. Why are they prime numbers? A prime number is a number that has only 2 factors, the number 1 and the number itself. So those are the numbers we use while prime factorizing. We cannot use 6 because 6 is a composite number. It has more than 2 factors. So we use numbers that have only 2 factors. Those are the prime numbers. So here we'll list the factors. We have 2, 2, 2, and then 3. Now, there are also many ways of writing the factors. We can count the factors and we say 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write 2 power 4 times 3. We can list the factors like that to know that there are 4 2's and 1 3, or we can list them in this format. So it depends on the question that you have been asked. If you are asked to list them as powers, you write them like this. If you are asked to just simply say the factors, you can write them like that. Let's look at another example here. 63. We prime factorize this. So we cannot divide 63 by 2. So we'll start with 3, the second prime number. 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we continue with 3 because 21 is in the multiples of 3, 7 times. So now these are our factors. We can list them in the way we want, 3, 3, then 7, or we can write 3 power 2 and 7. All these ways work. It depends on the question that you are answering. So I'm going to leave for you one number, and I expect you to go to the comment section and please comment and like and subscribe to our channel so that we can reach more people. This is the number I want to leave with us. It is factorize 18. So give the factors in the comment section. Thank you.